Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to make TikTok account private. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to open up your TikTok account. So I'm going to click on here. Next thing you want to do is to click on your profile icon from the bottom right here. Just like so. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on here, this three slider from the top. The next thing you want to do is to simply click on settings and privacy. The next thing you want to do is to click on privacy. So it takes you to this particular page. So the next thing you want to do is to simply enable this button right here. So once you enable this, your account is going to be private and only your followers will be able to see your video and photo or whatever you post on your TikTok account. So basically, this is how to private your TikTok account without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.